It was beautiful how humans and nature coexisted in complete harmony. Judicious use of natural resources, thereby generating minimum wastage, practicing reuse and recycling, a tradition particularly in India. But countries adopted a linear take, make, dispose economic model, leading to excessive resource extraction, mismanagement of waste, increased pollution, and climatic changes
leading to environmental degradation.
The harmony is clearly disturbed, which means the balance of life needs to be restored. By reinstating the practice of reuse and recycling complemented with reduce, with the circular economy creating wealth from waste. For example, the steel slag, a waste product in steel manufacturing, is used as a raw material in cement industry. Bio-waste, plant residues, can be used to produce electricity, and plastic waste in road construction. With the 6 R's of the circular economy: reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, redesign, remanufacture. With G20's presidency, India aims to suggest policy frameworks, deliberate technologies and projects to demonstrate real-world applicability of circular economy, creating significant wealth and celebrate together the life mantra of mindful utilization.
G20 India 2023. One Earth, one family, one future.
वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम्